Hi everyone, I'm Freya, an exercise physiologist at BJC Health in Chatsford. Now, as you can see, I'm surrounded by all these wonderful colourful toys. They're actually a spiky ball. Now, a spiky ball is a self-massage tool. It's really important to help muscles relax and also to help you perform both in your gym and day-to-day setting. So today we're going to work on spiky balling your glutes. The glutes are your major muscle group at the back of your body that often get tight when you are at the gym doing squats, deadlifts, running, or even when you're sitting at work for an extended period of time. So now I'm going to show you how to spiky ball. So pop the ball onto those glutes. As you can see, I'm rolling on the ball. You can perform this same exercise up against the wall if you're not able to get onto the ground. I'm feeling for spots that feel a little bit tender and a little bit tight and spending a bit more attention on them. It's okay for it to feel tender and tight. It's actually a good thing because you know you're hitting the correct spots, okay? Typically you spend a couple of minutes, no need to overdo it because as you do it over time, over a couple of weeks, it'll start to feel a little bit easier, a little bit better to do, all right? I hope you found those top tips to spiky balling helpful.